Speak it. Write it. Sing it. Come and be the light. Reach across the world.
Tungkol sa kanya ang kwento natin ngayon. Siya si Gelan the Magician. Alam niyo ba kung anong ginagawa ng isang magikero?
Magic!
Tama! Ang galing-galing niyo talaga. Sige. Ang pamagat ng ating kwento ay Gelan the Magician by Zenon O. Palomares. Handa na kayo? Lives in a castle. He wants to bake a cake, but he cannot find his magic spoon. Where is the magic spoon? Gelan asks Amor, the magic mirror. Alakazam! Alakamor! It is under the magic bowl. Is the magic bowl old or new? Gelan asks. Alakazam! Alakamold! It is old! It is old! But where is the magic bowl? Alakazam! Alakamove! It is beside the magic stove. Is the magic stove big or small? Alakazam! Alakameg! It is big! It is big! Oh, thank you. Here is the magic spoon. It is under the old magic bowl. Here is the old magic bowl. It is beside the big magic stove. Finally, Gelan the Magician bakes a cake.
Ay, sa wakas, nakagawa na rin siya ng cake.
Oo nga, buti na lang tinulungan siya ni Amor, ano? Did you like our story?
Yeah!